Today I'm going to be grilling some fish to make fish tacos. I'm going to grill it on a cedar plank, two different ways. One of the pieces of fish is going to be done in a miso type glaze, and the other one I'm going to use a soy sauce based type glaze and marinate it. We'll cook it out on the Weber, and then we'll take it and we'll put it in some flour tortillas with an Asian inspired coleslaw, pickled red onions, a little dash of lemon. Yummy. Let's do this. These are my cedar planks, which I'm soaking in water. They should soak for about 3 to 4 hours, so that would possibly inhibit them from catching on fire when I put them on the grill. I got my fish on the planks, and I'm getting ready to put them on the grill to grill them. I've got my sides set up, and that includes my spicy coleslaw, some pickled red onions. I've also got some cilantro. And we're going to be making fish tacos, which are going to be served on flour tortillas. I have my 2 fish marinated and cooked. I grilled them on the planks. The first one is in a miso inspired glaze, and the other one is a soy sauce, mirin, sake inspired glaze. Serving my fish tacos with pickled red onions, a spicy Asian coleslaw, and here's the finished treat. Good eats.